Okay, I'm on already got off the eastbound train now. I'm hopped onto waiting on the westbound platform now. New Westminster Station. Busy building here in downtown New Westminster. Just doing a look over. Old iconic buildings here and Douglas up on the hill. Skytrain flying while I wait. Hoping maybe I might catch the eastbound. Stop to run if I'm lucky. Or leave out of here, I hope. Busy here at SkyTrain today in the afternoon, I tell you. Yeah. Heading down to Trap Yard eventually. Just want to take some picture from the overpass here, yeah. Flying down here. Oh, it's just lucky to get here in time for Southern Railway after the SkyTrain and stuff. Yes, indeed. Down here, just a little after 3 o'clock or so now, here at New Westminster, BC, filming from over the Queensboro southbound side of the Queensboro Bridge. Looks like new box cars from here, just checking over the other side of the cars that are switched in, around, and there'll be a lot more racks to come, that's for sure. You can see here, oh boy, yeah. Speaking of what, this angle here, see other type of freight cars too that got switched in here, and yeah, the train had come back, so I think I recognize where the Valley Job return is, so I seen something here. Hoppers, and I haven't seen much of the gondola cars filled up with contaminated soil. They haven't seemed to bring that back much lately either. This smack here's where the Valley Job lays from the westbound trip. 2 center beam cars. I can see the back end rear brake side. The whole train too. One looks like one tank car in the front. A few hoppers, or a different size one. 2 bulkhead car and 2 center beam make up the train. Oh, not too shabby. There's a close up more. That's the best I can do for a close up. Looks like a tank car. I'm not sure there's a coil car in front, but it is what it is. Yeah, still not too bad. And all the racks in the outer tracks here, full of racks. Holy moly. The SRY's got their hands cut out here, I tell you, for today. Yeah.